Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind. Why would I leave if you...
Okay, my love, so we're gonna jump right in right now. I'm super excited because this is a look that I've been trying to do and it just never come out. For example, here I showed you guys that I was trying to do a like blue smoky eye and it just did not come out the way I wanted, but now we're gonna try it again and we're gonna go for a neon kind of look. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Karity matte eyeshadow palette just because I really like the colorings on these palettes. It's so cute. I have my eyes prepped and primed, honey, okay? So let's get right into it. But first, as a base, I'm going to be using this Morphe is a gel liner. So taking a small brush, I'm just going to go ahead and start applying that on the eyelid like that. And I'm kind of going to create a crease, not a crease, like I'm gonna wing it out basically and then smoke it out. So sort of like that, you guys. And then I'm gonna be smudging the edges. Let's see how this goes. Drink a little bit of coffee. Next, I'm gonna take a very small, precise brush, and that's what's gonna help us blend those little edges. Again, we just want the edges to be smooth out and blend out. Okay, you guys, don't worry, don't get crazy, it will get there. So next I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with this purple right here. Is the Eco shade, and I like to mix it with this shade, you guys, because it makes like a violet kind of look. Like it's not too blue and it's not too purple either. It's just like the perfect combination. I really like to use this as a base. So I'm applying the shade all over the eyelid, and I'm also going to bring it onto the crease, slowly kind of smoking it out. Where the hell do I live? Okay, bird. Okay, take it easy, pal. Okay, so this is like how it's supposed to look versus how it's not supposed to look. Do you see the difference? Maybe not, but it's not good. Anyways, next, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and create a cut crease. So we're going to be creating a line on the fold of the eyes, where it folds right there. Like that, you guys. And we're also gonna do a wing as well, but I'm gonna start the wing from like the middle of the eyelid like that. Okay, like that. And now we're gonna start creating like kind of like the neon effect. So for the cut crease, we're gonna have a neon cut crease, and then here we're gonna apply glitter. Exciting! What I use to create the cut crease, you guys, is like the brush, which is a nail brush, and this brush is like very freaking pointy and it's super hard, so it's easy to like almost, if you have like a pencil you're drawing, I find it easier, but it's not a pencil, it's a brush. So now I'm gonna start taking this shade right here, which is an orange shade. It's called Vegas from the Karity matte eyeshadow palette. So the first thing I'm going to do is just set the concealer on the crease. And now I'm going to go over the line once again with a white concealer or white liquid lipstick or anything you want to apply. So I'm going with a concealer. And I'm going to do the line right between the cup. And I'm going to repeat the same step, you guys, over and over, where I apply the orange eyeshadow. And then I go ahead and create another line on top of it, and so on and so on. And that's what's going to create that effect. Plus, it also helps it make it super brighter when you kind of like build it up. Okay, you guys, so once again I'm gonna repeat this step one more time, where I'm gonna apply the concealer, the white concealer, right on the middle of the cut crease. And one more time, you guys, let's apply the eyeshadow one more time. Now I'm just gonna push it onto the crease. Now it looks more like a neon cut crease, and the more you repeat the step, the more precise it's gonna be, you guys. But I think it looks fine now, so I don't think I need to go in more. But if you want to, you could definitely do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glitter, which I'm super excited. Ooh, what if I apply some like purple glitter? Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the Glitter Injection glitter, and this is in the shade Feeling Like a Mermaid. I thought it was gonna be more purple because it looks purple. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. I'm also gonna apply a little bit on the inner corners of the eyes. It's coming together. It's coming together. Don't worry. Okay, you guys, so next I'm going to take that orange shade and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash as well. And I'm using the shade Coquette just to blend it out, the edges. You guys, so I also applied it on my waterline, just a little tiny bit. Okay, you guys, now let's go ahead and finish the other eye and put some lashes on. BRB. Okay, you guys, so the lashes that I'm wearing are from the Bold Face Lashes, and these are in the style All Glam'd Up. I freaking love them, even though I do think they take a little bit away from the glitter of the wing, but whatever, it is what it is. Anyways, now let's go on to the face. I'm gonna try all of the products that I received from MILKMAKEUP. I'm super excited. I've never tried their products before, so you're gonna kind of see a first impression here. So first I'm gonna start with their luminous blur stick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that onto the face. It feels like very... Ooh, my face is definitely super glowy. I like that. I definitely like how it feels, you guys. It feels sort of silicone-y, but almost as a very hydrating moisturizer, like very thick hydrating moisturizer. I like this. I like this. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use their matte foundation. So I definitely like the packaging, you guys. I feel like it's super easy. You could just squirt it into the face. That makes sense. Ooh. Wow, they match me so perfect. Holy shit. That is so good. She looks really fucking good. Oh my god. It's definitely a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but nothing that I cannot fix with bronzer. Whoa, you guys, I love how it looks. It's so like... so freaking smooth. I'm shook right now. Wow. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use their concealer as well. It's in the shade Light. Oh, and I love, you guys, that it has an applicator. This is so cute. Love that. Ooh. And you guys, you know what's the weirdest thing? That in the packaging, the concealer actually looks darker than under my eyes. So weird. Like in person, it looks so dark. Outside the tube, it's so weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and blend this in. Ooh, this looks like it's dried up quick. Still blended in really nice. And the reason why I'm saying I'm so shook, you guys, is because I know people used to rave about this brand so much to a point that people started getting super annoyed by it because a lot of people were raving about it. But so far, like, I love how my skin looks. Oh my god. But of course, it might be because I'm using all of the products. Like, you know, I'm using the primer with their foundation, with their concealer. So maybe, you know, if that makes sense, like maybe this concealer is not gonna look good with another foundation under. Maybe it's gonna oxidize or something like that. Or maybe if I use another primer with this foundation, it's gonna look bad. I don't know, but together it's like, wow. Wow. Hello. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this ColourPop just to bronze out the face because fatness needs to go away a little bit. So this is how I'm supposed to be bronzing up, but this is how I usually end up because I just... it hurts, okay? It hurts. You're never supposed to bring it up that much, and I usually do that and I hate it. It's supposed to be like a gradient effect like this. This is like a do's and don'ts videos, I think. I mean, you can honestly do whatever you want, you guys. I'm just saying. Okay, you guys, so I'm also using their Blur and Set by Milk Cosmetics once again. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little tiny bit of this. As you guys know, this is just like a setting powder, and it brings its own little sponge, which is exciting. The packaging is literally everything. Okay, you guys, the powder so far is so good. Everything is looking snatch, honey, snatch. And now for highlighter, you guys, I'm gonna use this NOMAD highlighter in the shade Moonlight. Okay, you guys, now for the lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Bare Mineral liquid lipstick. I'm gonna be using my J Manual Beauty lip liner, and I'm gonna be lip lining my lips. Anyway, my love, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what would you like to see next, and till next time, I'll see you tomorrow because it's the last look, or maybe I'll post another one on Friday. I don't know, let's see, because I have a few events, so your girl is kind of like shook. Bye.